What is up guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I'm going to talk about the best and the easiest way to install Pixel OS in this Poco F4. I'm making a video where I can tell you the easiest way to install that ROM because this ROM is of Android 13. It has a lot of great potential features. So let's see how to install. First of all, you guys can see you need to be on your Poco X4 and you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi. Then once you are there, you need to go in Chrome. In Chrome you need to search Pixel OS, right? You need to search Pixel OS and you will be greeted with this website. Now once you are with this website, you need to tap on it, and once you go into this website, you will see it will open an interface like this, and this is the interface you need to know, right? And then you need to scroll down and you will find an option called Pixel OS. Then you guys can see this is the interface which you will be greeted with, and here what you need to do is you need to tap on this three dot and you need to tap on download. Now once you tap on download, you just need to wait for it and then tap on, like it will say select your device. You need to tap on Xiaomi, and here you need to scroll down, and just keep scrolling down unless and until you find the Poco F4. And I think you definitely will find the Poco F4 here, so scroll down, there you go. At the last we have the Poco F4. Just tap on it and one tap on get build, and then once you have tapped on it, this is the ROM you need to download. Tap on download. Now this is the latest file which you need to download, and here it will say that do you really want to download the file. Tap on try to download anyway. Now once you tap on that, what will happen is it will start downloading. You guys can see I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download one more time, but this you just have to tap on try to download and it will download. This is the build as you guys can see of the ROM. So now once you have downloaded the Pixel experience or the Pixel OS custom ROM for your Poco F4, now what you need to do is you need to switch to TWRP or go into TWRP. Now in case you don't know what TWRP recovery is, this is the video you need to check out, because in this video I showed all the ways how to install TWRP recovery, how to unlock the bootloader, and most importantly how to install a custom ROM in the Poco F4. So if you are first time trying to do this, you can watch this video, but if you already have TWRP recovery and you are in any other custom ROM, it does not matter. So what you need to do is you just need to hold your volume up and power button at the same time, but first you need to switch it off. Just tap on this and tap on power off. As you guys can see, the smartphone is just off. Now let me show you the steps you need to do to get the ROM installed and running, and then we are going to talk about the good features it has and awesome new things in Android 13. So on the volume volume up and power button at the same time, just hold both of them at the same time, and then your smartphone will enter into TWRP recovery mode. Now one more thing I wanted to tell you as well, that is you don't really need to be on TWRP to install this ROM. You can be on any custom recovery. So right now, as you guys can see, I am in this orange Fox recovery. You can be on any recovery to install this custom ROM, so there is no need to worry about that. The same steps you need to follow in all the recoveries. So now let's just follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to tap on the home button, right? Then you need to go in this, and go in this. Now once you go in Vibe, okay, you need to tap on this, go in Vibe, and then you need to select Dalvik. Okay, first what you should do is you should go here, you should go in downloads, you should tap on the Pixel OS Munch, this one, the Pixel Munch OS whatever. Just tap on this file and swipe to flash. Now this is gonna take a bit of time to flash, obviously, because it is a custom ROM. It is not something very easy to do. So this is gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. You guys can see it is a pretty simple step of installing this custom ROM. Right now it is installing, you guys can see, and no need to worry, it is gonna take a bit of time, but once this process is over, your ROM will install very easily. I'm also gonna show you what you need to do afterwards, because yeah, you can't do everything right now. You need to do some things afterwards as well for it to work. So yeah, let's just wait for it to install and then you have to follow the steps. So as you guys can see, now this custom ROM is actually installed in your Poco F4. Now you need to follow a few steps to make it work even better, and that is to enter into the ROM. Now what you need to do is you need to tap on this button. We have a button here which says Vibe Caches, right? But if you don't want to tap right now, you can go back normally, and then you need to go in this option which is a bin option. Let me tap and show you. This is the option you need to go, the bin option, and then what you need to do is you need to follow the steps very carefully. So here you guys can see, once we are into this bin option, you need to tap on Vibe Dalvik, Cache, data and cache. You need to tap on these three things, very important, and then swipe to Vibe. Once you have done that, you need to go back. You need to go in format data. This is the option here, you guys can see format data, and you need to type here yes. So ye, okay, ye and yes. Okay, once you tap on yes, you tap on this button and it's formatting the data. Now it is going to take a few seconds to format the data, and there you go, it's successful. Now once it is successful, the data is already formatted. What you need to do is you just need to tap on this button, the orange button which says reboot to system. Let's just tap on it, go, and now we're gonna see the Pixel OS booting into the smartphone. So I want to make you guys see it here only. Now you guys can see the Pixel OS will boot into the Poco F4 very easily without any problem. But do note that for the first boot, it might take a few seconds to boot up, so you don't need to be worried about it. And right now I'm holding the smartphone with my right hand towards the camera so that you can see the booting animation as well as how I'm talking to you. But yeah, make sure that don't worry, it will take a few seconds to boot up for the first time, and after that it's gonna be super smooth, no problems at all. And the best part is I'm actually quite excited to try out Android 13 because I actually haven't tested out any custom ROM of the Poco F4 which runs on Android 13. So this is gonna be a big one. It's gonna be super awesome and exciting at the same time. So we are waiting for it to boot, and there you go. Welcome to your Pixel. Like, that is the best thing, man. So as you guys have seen, this is now rebooted. Now I'm gonna set it up and then I'm gonna make video about its review, and I'm gonna talk about the good things, the bad things. So I need a day or more to test it out, and then I'm gonna tell you the actual good things or bad things about this custom ROM. But that was the tutorial on how to actually install this ROM. I hope you like it. If you do, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Watching. Peace out.